If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Quick Access toolbar in Microsoft Publisher appears above the ribbon by default. To place it below the ribbon if desired, click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button at the right end of the toolbar. Then select the Show Below the Ribbon command from the drop-down menu that appears. To reset it to its default location, click the same Customize Quick Access Toolbar button. Then choose the Show Above the Ribbon command from the drop-down menu that appears. This is the only toolbar available in Publisher. By default, you have buttons for quick access to the following commands: Save, Undo, and Redo or Repeat. However, you can also easily add buttons to this toolbar for the functions you use most. One way to add a button to the Quick Access toolbar is to right-click the command button or function in the ribbon which you want to add. Then choose the Add to Quick Access Toolbar command from the pop-up menu that appears. The function is then added to the Quick Access toolbar. To remove a button from the Quick Access toolbar, right-click the button to remove in the Quick Access toolbar. Then select the Remove from Quick Access toolbar command from the pop-up menu that appears. To more thoroughly customize the Quick Access toolbar, click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button. Then click the More Commands choice to open the Publisher Options window. The right side of the window contains two sets of command button listings. The listing at the window's far right side is the set of button commands currently shown in the Quick Access toolbar. The order in which the commands appear in this list from top to bottom is the order they appear from left to right in the Quick Access toolbar. To the left of this list is the listing of commands you can add to the Quick Access toolbar. You can select which functions appear in this list by selecting a command grouping to show from the Choose Commands From drop-down above the list. To add a command to the Quick Access toolbar from this list, click the command to add from the choices available in the left list. Then click the Add button to move the selected command into the Quick Access toolbar list to the right. To remove a command from the Quick Access toolbar list at the right, click it to select it first. Then click the Remove button to remove it from the list. Also, you can change the order in which the buttons appear in the Quick Access toolbar by first selecting a command in the rightmost list. Then click either the up or down arrow buttons to the right of the list. After customizing the content of the Quick Access toolbar, click the OK button in the lower right corner of the Publisher Options window to save and apply your changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.